Hello everyone, let's continue the lesson. If you have a function in terms of fs and you want to convert into the ft, okay, for example, you have a over s squared plus a squared. Okay, the table given to you is you will get sine at. Okay, in here you need to classify or identify the functions given is just like this one, which means that we have a squared over here and a over here, and the coefficient of the s squared is equal to 1. Okay, for example, if you have a function of fs 2 over s squared plus 2 squared, and then you will directly get the sine 2t, since the a here is 2 and here also 2. Okay, let's go to another example. If you have 3s squared, okay, plus here 1, okay, so means that you need to think that the a over here must be equal with the a over here. So what you need to do is you need to modify. Okay, let me give you the way how to make it easy. So you bring out the 3 over here, so you will have s squared over here, and then you have 1 squared over here, and then you have 1 over here, which is 1 squared, or which is 1, and then so this is already in the form that we can transform it into the ft function. So the answer is 3 sine 1t. Okay, it's a very direct transformation. Okay, example number 3. If you have 2 and then you have 2s squared over here, and then you have 2 squared over here. Okay, so what you can do is, so you need to factorize the 2 over here. So you will have 2 over here, you will bring 2 outside, and then you will have x squared here, and then you will have plus 2 over here. Okay, so here you need to classify the a. Okay, so the a over here is actually need to have the same with this one. Okay, so and here is a, here is a squared. So what you can do is, okay, so you can simplify this one and this one, so your functions becomes 1 over s squared plus 2. Okay, how to make it this one as in the form of square? So you need to use your creativity, and then is actually the 2 over here is the square root 2 power of 2. The above here should be with the value of a, which is the set 2. So over here, if I put set 2 over here, I will get s squared plus set 2 over here squared. And then you need to remember when you adding the set 2, okay, here, so you need to divide with the set 2. Okay, so now you will get your ft function is 1 over set 2, and then the function over here is already in the form that we can convert into the ft function. So you will get over here sine a t. Okay class, if you have another form of the fs function, for example, if you have s over s squared plus a squared. Okay, previously, okay, we have the above one is a, but now we have in terms of s, and then you can get in terms of ft, which is equal to cos at. Okay, in here, what you need to understand is you need to identify what is the value of a, and then make sure that the above here is s, and then the coefficient of the s squared is equal to 1. Okay, for example, if you have one question, we have s here, we have s squared here, and then you have 1 over here. So you may directly convert it into the ft function where your a here is 1, and then here is s is, alright, and then the coefficient of the s squared is equal to 1. So you may directly convert. You will get cos t, alright, since your a is 1. Okay, let's go to the example number 2. For example, if you have 2s over here, you have 3, okay, s squared over here plus 2. Okay, so it's quite difficult here, right? So you need to make sure that the coefficient over here and then the coefficient over here is 1. So you bring 2 over here, and then you bring 3 over here outside, so you will get s squared over here, and then you will have 2 over 3, and then you will have s over here. Okay, by looking at this one, okay, you can see over here, it's already in the form that you can convert into the ft function. So 2 over 3 is a constant, and then for this fs function, you may directly get the ft function, which is cos 2 over 3t. Alright, okay, let's go to last example. If you have s over here, and then you will have s squared plus 3, and then let's say I put here is 4, and then here I put is 3. So with using the similar method, so you bring outside the 3 and also the 4 over here. So here you will have s, and then for here you will have s squared plus 3 over 4. Okay, so this one is already in terms of the function of fs, which is you can convert into the ft function. You will get for the ft function 3 over 4, and then here is cos 3 over 4t. This is the example. This is also the ft. Okay, thank you. Okay class, let's focus on this value, this one, and this one. Okay, you need to be careful because of actually for this one should be an a squared. So what you can do is you can put the square root over here, and then you square. You are not give the different answer, you just modify so that it will be in terms of a squared. Also for this one, you will have square root and you put square, and then the last answer is 3 over 4 cos square root 3 over 4. Alright, okay, so I hope you understand and enjoy.